Today we are cycling on an empty road, looking about something about the woods, and we are meeting some friendly cows, so stay on it and don't miss it. Yeah, hello, it's 19 degrees and freezing. But I try my best to give you a short bike ride today. Even if it might be a bit cold. And as you can see, it's very cloudy. Not a nice weather at all. Windy. And I try my best not to be caught by the rain. I'm not sure how much the microphone can filter away. And I think I go here sideways and try my luck to see where I arrive here. I think here a few things have fallen down. So the forest workers try their best to get it off the road. It feels more like 15 degrees than the 19 it should be. And I think today I see it more as an exercise. But still, you can enjoy the nice landscape. And I can enjoy moving my legs. Now, here we have some cows. Maybe that is interesting. Let's take a look. See, a herd of cows in a field. And I think they probably like me. They're coming. Oh, some are even very quick. Yeah, hi cows. Just want to look at you. That's all. Well, want to see what you're doing here. See, you have a lot of flies. And I'm making a video. So, very nice, very nice. Happy to see you, but I have to go a little bit further. So, thank you for coming and enjoying my viewers. Bye-bye. That was nice. We had a cow encounter. Isn't that great? I love that. Ah, and here we are on a big road again. And I actually don't want to go to the road. So I enjoy to go back. We will pass the cows again. Maybe they like it. Hi cows, bye-bye. All right, in front you see wind turbines, which make the wind here quite efficient and deliver a lot of electricity, which is probably nice. It's clean, at least in my opinion. A friend of mine has a different opinion and say they spread oil and are toxic. But I still think it's a good idea to get electricity from the wind when it's here in abundance anyway. And it's a nice landscape. Even with the windmills. And like on a topic, see the sun is coming out, which is cool. Love that. Tomorrow it should rain again. It's beginning of June. I hope it will be summer soon. But so far it didn't really arrive yet. But it is possible that it comes. And for sure, if you subscribe to the channel, and we have not only like bike rides, we also have many things about Thailand, about learning Thai language, about other things. Take a look, subscribe to the channel, that helps us to make more videos and to get good equipment to make videos. Would love that. And it helps me to get my daily exercise, even if I'm basically lazy. But hey, that's how it is. So I hope you enjoy the ride. Was something a bit different today. As always, love it if you give me something in the comments or tell me something you like to know that I can tell you. And till the next time, bye bye.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.